Hi, got another unboxing video, and this time it is my feelunique sample service. No, it doesn't really say, oh, I should show you there really. It says feelunique on the box there. So this is how it arrives. So it usually comes in like an envelope and it says big feelunique on the front, but I've had a little box this month. So I'm posting this up a little bit late. I did order it a couple of weeks ago, completely forgot that I had it in my filming room ready to post up in video for you lot to see. I hope you enjoy watching anyway, and these videos are generally information given, sort of freebie alert type videos. This particular one anyway, it's not a subscription box, it's a video showing you what I chose and how you can go about doing it as well. So if you're new to feelunique, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you've seen it all before and you don't want to listen to me or babbling on all about it, then I will add down a timestamp down below in the comments, and you're free to skip forward until actually seeing the products that are inside here. So feelunique, as I said, it's not a subscription box, but it's a sample service. It costs £3.95 a month, and you can only do it once a month. So say if you order on the 1st of October, you're not allowed to do it again until the 1st of November. So the samples are called Pick and Mix. You'll see at the top of the screen on their website a tab that says samples. You click on that and that will bring down a list of all the different samples they do. You click on the Pick and Mix and that will be the sample service, what I'm talking about today. On there you will see about 5 to 7 different pages full of samples. Now these are tiny samples. Sometimes you get amazing samples. I had a box, well, way back, maybe January time, that cost me, as I said, £3.95, but actually the cost of the samples, because they were deluxe sample sizes, their actual value cost around £70 odd, which is amazing. So they are to be had sometimes, but not regularly. So it's a sort of service, I would say, to dip in and out of. There's no regular pattern. Things crop up as and when, so there's no particular day, unfortunately, that they release new samples. Now it's quite boring on their website at the moment. I find it really hard to choose samples, and I think I have done the last 2 months, so I'm not sure what's going on there. And the samples do seem to be teeny tiny, which is fine because again it is a sample service. You know, it's £3.95 plus that £3.95 gets put back onto your feelunique account, so you can use that for any purchases of any beauty or makeup related items if you want to. So essentially, if you're going to use that, you're getting these samples for free anyway. But I do love it for the fact that you get to try before you buy. So if there's a particular product you've got your eye on, but the cost is rather large and you're not sure if you will like it or not, then having a sample to try is well worth it. And I've found some great products doing it that way. And these are my samples for the month. So I'll just put them down and I'll just go through them one by one. So the first one is a Ritual sample, and I love Rituals. I love their shower gels, their body lotions. I just love the brand. It is super nice. And this is the Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely, and it's a hand balm, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So this is a little 10ml sample. They're just so luxurious. They're so thick and creamy and rich. I love them. Oh, it is really nice. I knew I'd love it. I knew. So I was quite happy to have that. And I don't like rosy type smells, so this is an Indian rose, and I'm sure I've had something Indian rose before and I was apprehensive about liking it, but I actually did like it, and yeah, unless it was this. So the next item is another Rituals item, and this is a body cream, and this is the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning, and it's organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So that's what that looks like there. So this is a body milk. Oh, I might actually ask my husband to buy me like a set of Rituals, like bath items for Christmas maybe. Oh, it's nice. Oh, they both smell nice. They both smell nice. So I'm quite chuffed at them actually. They're only 10ml, but they are nice. They're nice to try, and the smell is gorgeous. Now, the next item is a familiar. I've had it a load of times. I'm still yet to actually buy the perfume. And it's Paco Rabanne Intense Olympia. Olympia Intense. It is intense, isn't it? Yeah, intense. So this is just a little sample of is it 1 mil or 1.5 mil, maybe 1.5 of the perfume. I love it, absolutely love it. So again, I don't know, I might speak nicely to my husband and see, maybe he might want to buy me perfume instead, I'm not too sure. I've had this loads of times, I pop them in my handbag, so when I'm out and about, I just spray. So if I carry on doing that, maybe I might not need to buy the actual perfume. I could be saving there, couldn't I? Just buy one of these every month, as long as they last anyway. But no, so that's my third item, so yeah. And then the next is a hair mask, and it's a Shu Yumura. I think that's how you pronounce it. Art of Hair Ultimate Reset Extreme Repair Treatment for Very Damaged Hair with Rice Extract, and this is a 15 ml. So I thought that sounded quite nice and enough there, well, you know, well enough for doing one hair mask, which is lovely. So that's that. And then the next item is a hair related item as well. So this is this, and it's a set. So this is by Paul Mitchell, and it's Mirror Smooth, and it's a Awapuri. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. It's written at the top there, but it's the Mirror Shine, Mirror Smooth, Flawless Smooth Brilliant Shine set. So I have got here shampoo, conditioner, and a high gloss primer, and these are 10 mils each. So I thought that was quite nice actually, to have a set of 3 to try them all out, because there's no point trying just like a shampoo or a conditioner, because really you need to have the other one. I do, personally, that's what I think anyway, but it sounded great. It eliminates frizz, it restores moisture balance, thermal protection, high gloss shine primer, so it sounds really, really lovely. It says here, perfectly smooth, proven results. We've got the test there. As far as I know, that could be like a test out of 20 people and not the population, as a lot of companies make out. 89% think that this is fab, but then when you look at the small print, 89% of 20 people. I'm not saying that this is that. I didn't read it, I'm not sure. It could be based on huge scale research, who knows, but I just think they're funny. So those are my items, so 5 items, and even though I found it really, really hard to choose these this month, I am actually really pleased I found them and I went for them. Yeah, I mean, I got this because I was stuck, but I think it's such a great idea of me getting one once a month now if I am stuck, you know, just to pop in my handbag. So I can't wait to try them on. I love these ritual creams, they are just stunning. Hair mask, and then the shampoo, conditioner and the hair primer, beautiful. So I can't wait to try them as well. So no, I think I've done pretty well actually. I'm pretty impressed, even though I did find it a little bit hard, and there's no biggies type of samples there, because we all want to get the bigger sized ones, don't we, because we just feel like we're getting more of a bargain. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.